Lottie. So today's video I'm going to be trying out Nikkia Joy's false lashes and I thought whilst I do that I will quickly give you a review on the products that I already have of hers as well. So yeah, this video is going to be all about Nikkia Joy. So I'll just pop in how I did this look and then I will come back and I will give you my thoughts and comments on everything. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you hit thumbs up down below and don't forget to subscribe and change your notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. Today's completed look. So what do you guys think? Okay, so first up, I'll talk about the sponges because I already had the sponges originally. So I did get the original duo set, which was this black one, and it came with like a baby pink one without the edge cut off. I'm not sure what I've done with my baby pink one. I've misplaced it somewhere in my makeup room, or it could be the one that my naughty little doggy chewed up. But I still have my black one and I live for this every day. I actually brought a replacement one as well, so I always have a backup. So you can see here, this is my brand new one. This is the one I just used today. So yeah, that's the size difference between when they're dry and wet as well. It fills up quite nicely and it's very, very soft. Now I absolutely love this black sponge because it has all the sides that I use. So on the bottom is where I tend to use for like my foundation. Sometimes I use it for my primer as well. On the back edges here is what I would normally use for bronzer or blush or something. Today I didn't have any of the cream products, so I didn't use my sponge, I used brushes. And then this side, the flat side, I find is perfect for powder. So you would have seen in pretty much every single one of my videos that I absolutely love Nikkia Joy's Velvet Finishing Powder. I swear by this as well. I have hot flushes and it withstands my hot flushes, so I am extremely amazed with this product, and I find that the sponge is just perfect for it. So I have been using the Velvet Finishing Powder for about 6 months now, maybe even longer actually, might be closer to like 9 months now, and it's honestly, I can't go back from it. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and I normally just put some on my sponge and then dust it off into here and then take whatever's in this part for my face. But it sets it down absolutely beautifully, and I swear it's like having a filter on your face as well. And I just love the smell of it as well. Absolutely love the smell of this. It's like a slight fragrance smell, so it's not like over the top or anything like that. It's stunning, absolutely beautiful. Now the other sponge I do have is, I did grab one of her Christmas ones. So it's almost identical to the black ones, except it just has this bottom part cut out. So it's still got the flat edge on this side and then the curved over here. So I thought I would try this one as well and see if I liked the black one or the red one better. I haven't tried it yet. I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, and lastly is Nikkia Joy's false lashes. So I've heard lots of good things about her lashes, especially for people who have to normally cut a lash to fit their eyes. Hers tends to be a lot better. So I thought I would pick up a set. So I'm no lash expert. I pretty much detest fake lashes on. I love them, like wearing them, but I just hate putting them on because I struggle so much to put them on. And this was sort of no different. I was able to get it on. I always struggle with, see a little bit here, see the very front is like lifting. I always struggle with that area on my false lashes. So I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. As I said, I'm not an expert. I have not done like a makeup class where I have been taught to do my false eyelashes. I've just literally tried learning by watching YouTube tutorials and stuff. So I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong or if maybe the lash is too big. Maybe I should be cutting that tiny little bit off as well, because there was a little bit of an edge on each side of these ones, so that was really good. This one's a lot messier. I've got glue everywhere on this one. My glue's black, that's why it looks so messy. So yeah, but otherwise I absolutely love them. They look stunning. absolutely stunning. I just wish that I could apply them better. So that is going to be one of my goals for the rest of this year, is learn how to apply false lashes better, because these are stunning. I did get the pack that had 5 different styles in it, so I chose the 3rd style down, and I think absolutely beautiful for going out or even like an everyday look. There's ones down the very bottom there that are massive, so I would probably pair them with like a glam look. And then these ones up the top look more natural looking as well, so that would be like really good for like an everyday use. So yeah, I absolutely love Nikkia Joy's products. So a huge shout out to Nikkia Joy Cosmetics. You're doing amazing. I can't wait for more products to come out. And yes, I will always purchase your velvet finishing powder, so please don't ever get rid of it. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!